Howdy folks, this is Charlie with Ugly Dog Lures, and we're going to do a quick mail call video with y'all today. Me and Mr. Glenn Mcleod, if I say it wrong, it's old people problems. Did a bait exchange, and I'm painting him a pin. And he painted me a bait, and I had this for a week and I hadn't got to it yet. So I really wanted to get to it today, so I got mail to come out here with me, and we're gonna see what Mr. Glenn painted for us. Uh-oh. I might need to buy some new skizzers one of these days, Melissa.
Well, since you stole those from me, maybe, you could buy me a new pair, and then I'll give you my other old pair.
How come I always get hand-me-downs?
Because you ruined them. Look what you did to my poor scissors. They're designer scissors.
Designer my
from Hobby Lobby.
Backside. Okay. It says, Dear Charlie, here's one of my square bills I did. The crawl pattern was done with LOL Bradford pear tree leaves. That's awesome. Image that was used, you got kind of thing used, Createx colors, grays, copper, light, browns, mixed, blacks, red metal flake. Hope you like it.
Oh.
Mr. Glenn. It's one of my favorite people.
Can't wait to see it.
Yeah, I think I'm probably going to love it because I love everything. I'm not trying to show nobody's address there. I will be mailing his bait back next week with a bonus lure going to him. This is a...
I wonder if he has an Ugly Dog lure sticker.
He don't. I'm going to put it all in the package for him.
Okay, yeah, because I had one somewhere. We're kind of running low, but...
Yeah, this is an S-crank. Look at that, folks.
Wow.
What a wonderful, beautiful job you did, Mr. Glenn. Love
That's really pretty.
It's going to go right over there in my metal case.
Which I'm not going to show you because it's not all put together again. I kind of messed it up.
And this will be one that I cherish till the end of my days. Just like all the rest of them I got over there. So I appreciate it, buddy. And I can't wait to get your pen to you. It's almost in the finished stages now. So one more color and then clear coat it. But this is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Great job. As always, and I will keep this letter with the bait. Put them back in the bag, and then we'll put them over there in the glass cabinet. Be put up. So, wonderful job, buddy. Very proud of it. Proud to have it. I love the leaf design you put on it.
It is. That's pretty.
Awesome. There we go. We're all bagged up and ready to go in the thingy there. Put that down there and ship his stuff right back to him with it.
Oh, I wanted to pop it.
No, you're a popper.
Dang it. I like the poppy stuff.
Don't be popping my bubbles, woman.
But it's fun.
I know. You're always trying to burst my bubble. So. But health aid update, doing good. I'm walking. I can get in now to pick up pretty easy now. I guess I'll start physical therapy here pretty quick.
Hopefully next week.
Yeah, next week hopefully, and go from there. All my bandaging and all the stuff came off today, so it's just wide open now.
It's not wide open.
So.
And I finished the OPO video. It went out for preview today, so it should come out tomorrow.
Yeah.
Probably about 10 or so in the morning.
Yeah, whenever we get it up. I guess it'll be up on Ugly Dog and Widener Ways.
No, just Ugly Dog.
Just Ugly Dog. That's an Ugly Dog thing.
Mm-hmm.
So the auction was a huge success. I took 10 baits down there, and they brought $35 a piece. So $350 I raised for them, which is not enough, but it's what I could do because of all the sickness and surgeries and stuff. But next year's going to be a great year for us. This year is.
Yeah. And we've got the
2025. 24 was kind of rough.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really rough.
Then we have the gun show coming up.
Yeah, we got the gun show coming up next Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We've got, I don't know, a couple of 200 or 300 baits to take down there. Hopefully we can sell a lot. So, but that's pretty much a update on me and Mel. Mel's got a couple of scans she has to go do. She's got to go do one on her brain and one on her gut. I don't know what they're called, CTs or
MRIs.
MRIs, yeah, MRIs. So keep her in your prayers. But it won't be long. I'll be back up on top of the world. And then they'll do it again. Replace my knee on my same leg as my hip was. So, but, you know, life goes on. Get it done and then I'll feel way better and I can do 10 times as much. So, but that's just kind of how I wanted to open Glenn's package. I figured it would be a out of this world bait, and I figured right. You know how hard that was for me to sit there and look at it in the pickup for a week and not open? Not very hard.
Yeah, especially since you couldn't have found it in the pickup, because I had to look.
Yeah, she hides things from me, and then she accuses me of losing them.
Yeah.
That's how that story goes.
I can't
That's
remember.
my story, and I'm sticking to it, kind of thing.
Yeah, I can't remember anything. Sorry, Glenn.
We're very excited for the gun show this weekend. I got a lot of baits to get hooked up and been painting a lot. I did these last night because I was running low on jerk baits. I did 3 of them. They're gorgeous. You get them just right and you can catch the glaze in them.
They're shimmery.
Yeah, they are shimmery. I did all 3 of those last night. Wasn't out here but about an hour or so. Did those and a few more. I got some mice that I'm working on to get them finished up here in the next day or so. This one and then I did a white one, an albino kind of thing, and I did a black one over there, but Cody's already cleaned it. It is his, so it'll all be good. It's all gonna work out just fine for the show, so we're excited to go. Been working on some cicadas, getting some odd colors in them, and kind of cool. But that's kind of where we're at. OPO video will be out sometime tomorrow, hopefully. No, it'll be Monday.
My goal is tomorrow, because it's already done, and I've sent it to them, and I was going to change something on it, but if they don't have any changes, I think I'm just going to leave it like it is.
Okay. We had a good time at the OPO banquet.
Yes, we did. It was very nice.
My brother came with us, and that was the best part of it, getting to spend time with him.
And him getting his feathers ruffled because I put him in the video. That was pretty fun.
Yeah. Yeah, he's in the video. See if y'all can figure out which one he is. So, but we're fixing to go have coffee tonight. Here in a little bit, I got to go in and put on some clothes. Melissa won't let me go to town with my sleeveless shirts on.
No.
So, but they're comfortable for me, so that's why I wear them. Let's see. Any other news that we need to share? The new dog's doing well. He's a pain in the puppy.
Definitely a pain in the puppy. He needs a haircut. I need to find a new groomer, and I just haven't. I keep thinking my groomer's going to call and say, I miss the dogs, bring them back. And I know she's taking care of her mom, but
yeah,
I've been hoping and holding out, and I'm just going to have to give in and find a new one.
Yeah, or we're going to have to do it ourselves.
Yeah, I could probably do it myself. I have to brush him out every night.
I think you could very easily.
Yeah.
We'll just super glue him to the table out in the yard, and actually he'll just sit there.
Yeah, he'll just stand there. He likes the bath. He likes to be brushed. He likes the attention. You know, he has to get a pet party every time we walk in the door. He thinks he needs to be, you know, all the attention, and then he just walks off and leaves me like I don't even matter.
He says hi and then he's gone.
He has his own thing.
He does.
He does have a little separation anxiety, though.
Yeah, he's been a good companion for me through all this. So when Mel runs off and partying and leaves me at home, he takes care of me.
Yeah, because that happens every day.
Yeah, I know it does. Put my other glasses back on. These magnify things, and makes it easy for me to put hooks on because my lamp finally broke. It was in here for a lot of years, and I went and pulled it down one day and the whole thing just smashed in half. I need to go buy me another one of these days.
I haven't found one like that. I found one kind of.
Harbor Freight now.
Do they?
Yeah, I have a dozen or so. Me and Cody was in there the other day messing around.
Yeah, who's going out partying without me? Yeah, you and Cody.
That's because you was out partying somewhere.
Mm-hmm. I wouldn't do that.
I actually think that you was in Roswell or somewhere.
Oh, with Mom?
Yeah, me and him was up there. Sometimes me and Cody just get out and go get a drink and what have you. Scratch my leg. It itches. So I guess that's it. Everybody go over and subscribe to Mad Monkeys. Old Fred. It's a pretty good channel. He's a smart lure maker. Good painter. Everybody go give him a check out.
And he can go live now, right?
Yeah,
we got him.
Be able to go live now.
We got him over that
50
barrier.
Mark or whatever it was. So
good deal.
Yeah, Melissa did.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope everybody has a very blessed afternoon, and we'll catch you later.
All right, bye.